TELMU Telescope 70mm Aperture Refracting Telescope Review 2019. Ultra-clear refracting telescope with 400mm focal length and 70mm aperture to capture more clear picture, an optical glass coated for enhanced image brightness to protect your eyes. The awesome tool helps beginners and students to explore the space. Optimum magnification to replaceable 1.25 Kellner eyepiece, K6mm 16x, K2567x to enhance the power for this astronomical telescope. 5x24 finderscope with mounting bracket and crossline, erect-image diagonal makes locating objects more easy to operation, no tools are required for refractor telescope even for the novice. Adjusted from about 17.7 inch to 35.4 inch. Allowed for many different observational positions and keep the whole tripod steady with castor wheel. Sharing in real time, you can take pictures or videos and share them with your family and friends in real time with the phone holder. Star Telescope is suitable for kids who love science to discover the mystery of the universe. A reliable guarantee come with a backpacked and delicate box as an extra gift to your family. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.